नामवर टेलीविजन और फिल्मी अदाकारा मोनी रॉय के साथ ओवो क्लब में बॉलीवुड नाइट का इत्तिमाम। मोनी रॉय की खूबसूरत अदाओं ने माहौल को गरमा दिया। इस खूबसूरत म्यूजिकल नाइट में खवातीन के लिए मुफ्त मशरूबात का इंतजाम था। डीजे की धुनों पर खूबसूरत लड़कियों ने अपनी अदाओं के जलवे पूरी रात बखेरे। मोनी रॉय एक खूबसूरत हिंदुस्तानी अदाकारा है जो टेलीविजन और फिल्मों में अपने फन के जलवे बखेरती हैं। भारत में सबसे ज्यादा मुआवजा लेने वाली टेलीविजन अदाकाराओं में से एक हैं। मोनी रॉय को माफोक अलफतरत थ्रिलर सीरीज नागिन और इसके सीक्वल नागिन 2 में शक्ल बदलने वाले सांप की तस्वीर कुशी के लिए बड़े पैमाने पर पहचाना जाता है। मोनी रॉय को कई अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है, जिनमें एक आईफा अवार्ड और 2 ITA अवार्ड्स के साथ साथ 2 फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स के लिए नामजदगी भी शामिल है।
Saying I've woken up feeling tired, feeling sick, but I've never felt like I don't want to go to work. I think that's been the driving force. And to answer your question, बहुत टाइम लगा and highest paid, not paid, ये सब कुछ मैटर नहीं करता। I guess आपको खुशी मिलती है, that's what makes all the difference. So one of the movies just released, which is called Bhutni. My next release is something that I have done with Farooq Kabir sir. It's a spy thriller जिसका नाम उन्होंने अनाउंस नहीं किया है, तो जब वो अनाउंस कर देंगे तो मैं बता दूंगी, but that should come in August. And the latest movie जिसका फर्स्ट शेड्यूल हमने खत्म किया है, that's है जवानी तो इश्क होना है, that's with David Dhawan sir. So I am very excited. My God, sir, you asked me a lot of questions, so I'll tell you why I'm here first. Dubai is my second home. I have a home here. Me and my husband have a home here. So literally I am as much as a Dubai person like you are. And when you ask me about OVO, I think the one and only person responsible for it is Mr. Santosh Gupta. We have had a long working relationship, professional relationship. In fact, in the beginning of my career, he was the first person who ever managed me and who got me the kind of work that I wanted to do in television. So I'm thankful to him for that. And so my synergy and energy matches more with him, and which is why it matches with OVO. When I got to know it was his place, and he was so enthusiastic and welcoming of me in this place. I of course couldn't say no, and I'm seeing this place for the first time, I won't lie to you, and I'm so happy to be here. It's such a beautiful place that he has created. The aesthetics are so beautiful. The interiors look so beautiful. So I'm very happy and honored to be here tonight. Thank you.
I want to do in hospitality industry to serve to people, to make them have great food, great cuisine, and great music together. He will take this, my legacy, to the world. I have the reason to GCC and Southeast Asia. Maybe after me, this gentleman will take it to the world. That's how I want to say.